Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends, and I'm making this video today for the others out there like me who not only like to have fun outdoor experiences, but are borderline obsessed with capturing amazing footage of those experiences that put you right back into the thrill of the moment when you watch. I'm going to show you some equipment that I use that help me get that wow factor every time, and what better way to do that than to show you some actual footage from a vacation my family took last year to St. Augustine, Florida. Each clip's going to show the camera name, and you'll get a real-world idea about what that camera's capable of doing. I hope you find it useful, and let me know in the comments what your favorite go-to cameras are. And as always, thanks for watching.
It's still